Hey, my name's Chris, and I'm going to assess your lung sounds today.
Alright.
Normally we'd listen right on the skin, but we're just going to listen through your shirt. Take a deep breath. Another deep breath. Another one. Another. Alright, now I'm going to listen to the back. See if you can lean up. I want you to say 99.
99.
Again.
99.
Again.
99.
And again.
99.
Your lungs sound pretty good. Do one more thing. I want you to whisper 99.
Whisper?
Yes.
99.
Whisper it as quiet as you can.
Okay. 99. 99.
And now say E.
E?
Yeah.
E. 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 E.
It sounds like you've used your inhaler lately. Your lungs sound good. You've got a normal respiratory rate. It's a rate of about, or a ratio of about 1 to 3. No accessory muscles. You have a normal chest shape. Looks like normal symmetrical expansion. Your trachea looks to be midline and not deviating to one side or the other. Thank you.
You're welcome.